Yep. Spent the day out here sanding all these parts down to most of it to bare metal, and put some rust encapsulator stuff over it. Let that dry a little while, and then I sanded it with some 320, scuffed it up a little bit, and put this HP 5311 primer on it. And found out this one right here, I pushed it to the limits. You see all them little bubbles. Now I'm pretty sure those are solvent pops. This part right here, it was about 80 degrees outside, and I didn't have any reducer in this. I just put the activator, mixed it 4 to 1 and shot it. And I had 3 coats on here, and I hammered 2 coats on there on the latch. They were pretty heavy. And as you can see there, I'm pretty sure I got some massive solvent pops there. So it's probably going to take some sanding and then priming again, get them filled up. But these over here, they look great. There's dust in there, but they're nice and smooth. Like I said, it's got dust all over it, but I got both sides of that primed, and sanding that little spring there took a little bit of time. And the other thing I've been working on, this dang valance here. It's my opinion, it really needs a new one, because I took a hammer and a dolly, straightened up the best I could, but this was all bent up and twisted up, and the whole thing all the way across there was just wavy. I got the best I could, but still, like right here in this area, that's pushed up and it's closer there, and the same way over here. Up there, that gap is closer, and it's got some dents all down here, and I can't get a dolly or hammer or anything to get in there and get it done. This leading edge here, it was all bent up all the way across the front of it. I got the dolly and hammer in there and flattened all that out pretty good. I got most of it sanded. I still got to get all that out of there. And this crap right here is going to take a while. I think I'm going to wire brush on my angle grinder. Just get all that crap out of there. It'll be the easiest, fastest way to do it. But it's going on 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired. I'm ready to call it quits. So that's what I've done today. Slow and steady. So like the video, share if you want, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.